Here's the marketplace elevators at the IKEA store, Tampa, Florida. More Thyssenkrupp elevators. And to be honest, there's no parking garage elevators at this IKEA in Tampa. It's just only these elevators here. The show and the market elevators. It's Thyssenkrupp, obviously. Oh, good, no fan. One. Here's your certificate. Oh, big bump.
Wasn't that big. Fine.
Listen to the motor on the other one. Listen to the motor on this one. Here are two. We actually have been called though because the air was light up. It doesn't ring that time. These arrows only light up down though. These ones light up up. I'll show you when we get down. Notice the overlord light here. I think that's just the point of when the elevator's max capacity. Yeah, that's the only one that lights up. And that's it.